Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily remove the background of an image, and that too we won't be using Word or Photoshop. We'll be using Microsoft Word 2016 or 2019. So they have the features to remove the image background, and after removing the image background, you can save it on the desktop. The image you can use in the Word document as well as save on the desktop. So it's a very crucial feature of Microsoft Word. So here is a sample document. Let's begin. Double click on the document. Now you can see no image is visible. We will insert an image. Click on insert, then pictures. After that, we will insert a PNG image. On the desktop, we will go on the desktop, and there is the image of Messi, the great footballer. .png file. I'll click on insert. Now you can see the background is visible. This is the background. This is the background. We just want the Messi from it. So I'll just select the pic. Under format, remove background option would be visible. Click on it. On clicking, it will ask for mark areas to keep. So I'll select the areas I want to keep, or the simplest option is I'll select the pic, the area I want to keep, and we will see what all will remain after that. Now I'll click keep changes. Now let's see what happens. Now you can see the background is removed except this. So how we will change it? Select the pic again, click on remove background, mark areas to remove. Click on it. Now a pencil sign would be visible, just like edit. Mark this section. While marking, you can see it will automatically detect it and remove it. Now we have our image without the background. Now you can use it in your Word document, or now you may be wondering you want the pic in another doc or anywhere else. In Photoshop, save as picture. On the desktop, I'll save it again. I'll write Messi 2 and save it as PNG image. Now I've saved it. Go to desktop. Now you can see Messi without the background is visible. Now I'll check that background is removed or not. I'll open with the open source GNU image manipulation program. It is also known as GIMP. You can see GNU image manipulation program. When it will open, you can see the background is completely removed with the entire area of the pic. You can see the background is completely removed, and you have your pic here after removing the background. So in this video we saw how we can easily remove the background of image. We remove the background of the image using the remove background feature of Microsoft Word 2016 and 19. This feature is available in both the versions. We just clicked on remove background, mark the image to keep and mark the section to remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos and videos on programming, kindly subscribe to Amit Things YouTube channel.